let's estimate using some graphs. Now, when you're estimating, you have to kind of do a little bit of guessing, right? We're using our educated guesses here. So we want to estimate the difference between the values of February and October. All right, so first let's analyze the data. So our vertical axis goes from 0 to 200, and it looks like the intervals are going in groups of 40. So when I look at February, which is here, it looks like maybe it's just above halfway. So halfway would be 20, so I'm going to estimate that February is 25. That's my estimate. So if you're somewhere in that area, that's okay. So now you want to look at October. So October is over here. And if I go up, and sometimes it helps to just kind of draw, a horizontal line. So again, we're over halfway. The halfway point, would be about here, and that's 100. So I think that October is probably closer to maybe 110. So let's call October 110. So now if we want the difference, so we would take 110 minus 25, which is 85. So my estimation for the difference is 85. Now let's look at a line graph. Okay, so that was a bar graph. Now we go to a line graph. Estimate the difference between 2017 and 2018 for the month of June. Okay, we can do this. So here's June. So first of all, let's just get ourselves basically a vertical line, right? We're guessing, and these are estimates. So now, what are the values? All right, so here is green. That's 2017. And when I move over this way, it looks to be halfway between 30 and 60, which would be 45. So I think 2017 has a value of 45. And then up here at 2018, well, that seems to be right on the 120 line. So the difference would be 120 minus 45, which is 75. So that's the estimator difference. And the last one is using a pie chart of estimate the percentage of data presented by the UK. So that's this group over here. Now, if we think about, I'm just going to draw a line here, 50% is over here in the US, and then 50% is still the US and other countries. So it kind of looks like each one of these pies looks to be kind of a third of 50, right? So if we think about taking 50% and divvying it up, it would be approximately 17%. Approximately, right? That's right there is like 51%. So we're estimating. So I would say the UK is approximately 17% of this particular data piece.